Ah, dogs. Large ones, preferably. The kind with shoulders, opinions, and a very clear understanding of consequences. I like dogs. They are honest. If they dislike you, it is usually because you deserve it. Which brings me to New York. I'm told some politicians there have decided dogs are filthy and should not be kept in the home. This is fascinating. Because dogs have been living with humans for thousands of years, guarding children, protecting livestock, and occasionally removing the wrong kind of person from the gene pool, politicians, by contrast, are a much newer experiment. Dogs do not lie. They do not draft press releases. They do not hold conferences to explain why they failed. If a dog makes a mess, it looks ashamed and tries to fix it. If a politician makes a mess, it forms a committee. Also worth noting, dogs only bite when threatened, provoked, or poorly trained. Politicians do far more damage fully trained. I find it odd to call dogs filthy while standing in a city where rats ride the subway with confidence. Large dogs serve a purpose. They deter thieves. They protect families. They remind bad people that the world still contains teeth. If you remove dogs from the home, you will not create cleanliness. You will create opportunity. And bad people love opportunity. So yes, keep your dogs. Train them well. Feed them properly. And if someone insists dogs are the problem, perhaps the dog already knows something you do not. Anyway, if you enjoyed this, follow along. If you didn't, no worries. Jog on. Remember to follow or subscribe. Those who do are safe from the Viking hordes. Mostly.